Cutie Pie, the celebrity, rock star, divalicious, iconic version of you that you're hoping to be already does exist in whatever those words mean to you. Whether it's more of embodying this main character confident energy, whether you want to be a rock star in business, whether you want to be a rock star online and show up and have a cult-like following, whether you want to be known for your artistic creative abilities, whatever it is to you, okay? I believe that all of you have rock star potential. You just need to remember it yourself, all right? And I want to dive deep and talk about how this version of you already exists, okay? We already know that there's infinite amount of possible realities that are happening. Time doesn't exist, okay? So everything is currently happening right now. And your identity is not fixed, okay? It's malleable. You can change how you show up, you can change how you think, you can change how you feel. And I believe that all of those are kind of what encompasses an identity, what you believe about life, what you believe about yourself, what you believe you attract, how you constantly, how you think, the dominant assumptions, and how you feel for the most part, because obviously I do believe in when you feel good and you put out good, you do attract good, but at the same time, when you have a bad day, it's not like your dream life is gonna go completely blip, you know what I mean? So feelings aren't as important, but I do like to talk about them because I do notice the difference in my overall life when I make an effort to feel good and to spread goodness on a day-to-day basis. Anyway, I got this idea, okay, to talk about while I was reading this, the Neville Goddard collection. I'll link it down below if I remember. But you have to invest in the version of you that you are becoming, and that word invest, right? Investing. It's like, not that it takes long, but you do, like I always say, manifestation is a lifestyle. So you do have to show up and put in a little bit of work to be that version of you every single day, right? So to spend is to waste. So, right, spending your valuable energy is wasting, right? So this is like you're wasting your energy when you constantly tear yourself down. You're wasting valuable energy when you continuously think in the more limited way. For example, my content sucks, my art sucks, my song sucks, my painting sucks, everything sucks, I can't do anything. That's a waste of your energy. Wasting your energy is also bed-rotting and doom scrolling when you know that you should be creating or doing something that will get you closer to your dreams. Anyway, to spend is to waste, to squander, to lay out without return. To invest is to lay out for a purpose from which a profit is expected, right? So when you invest, when you're investing in yourself, you're thinking thoughts of, I am talented, even if you don't necessarily believe it right now. Because with repetition, repeating these new empowering phrases, thoughts, declarations, affirmations, it becomes your habitual way of thinking, okay? But it takes a little bit of discipline and repetition to change those thoughts. Investing in yourself, okay? To invest is to lay out for a purpose from which a profit is expected. This revelation of my wife is about the importance of the moment. It is about the transformation of the moment. What we desire does not lie in the future, but in ourselves at this very moment. At any moment in our lives, we are faced with an infinite choice, what we are and what we want to be, right? So with each and every moment, with the thoughts that we're choosing, with where our energy is going, our focus is going, we are choosing that identity in that moment. So we're focused on the lack of money we have, our identity is we're poor. If we're looking in our mirror and we're like, damn, like, I'm really ugly, I'm fat, that's your identity. If you're writing a song and you're like, oh, this sucks. If you're trying to film a piece of content, but you're like, damn, I'm not good at this, that is the identity you're choosing in that moment. So like flip that, rewrite the script. Start saying every piece of content I post is amazing. Start saying every piece of music I write is amazing. My art connects with the world. I'm the artist that people can't ignore. I'm everyone's favorite content creator. Change the assumption. And what we want to be is already existent. But to realize it, we must match our inner speech and actions to it. It is only what is done now that counts. The present moment does not recede into the past. It advances into the future to confront us, spent or invested. So, what that means is no matter how you're thinking, you're going to see evidence of that in the near future. Whether you spend your energy, which was all of the examples we gave about, thinking that you're not talented, thinking you're ugly, or whether you invested in yourself, which is the more empowering story. Thought is the coin of heaven. Money is the earthly symbol. Every moment must be invested. Our inner talking reveals whether we are spending or investing. Be more invested. Be more interested in what you are inwardly saying now than what you have already said, by choosing wisely what you think and what you feel now. Okay, so this is saying there's no point of having shame for the past and the old ways you were thinking, because it doesn't matter anymore. What matters is what you're telling yourself right now. So you get to choose the thoughts that make you feel good. You get to choose the thoughts that make you feel empowered. Okay? And if you're clicking on this, you probably want to be a creative in some way, shape, or form, or have your own business, or an artist, or a creator. You know that you're meant for something bigger than a 9-to-5, but you aren't really going to kind of break out of that spell by thinking the way that you're currently thinking. So you need to think like that rock star version of you that already exists. You need to think of that celebrity version of you that already exists. And you need to have the actions behind it as well. Start writing the music. Start putting yourself out there. Start creating the content. Anytime we feel misunderstood, misused, neglected, suspicious, afraid, we are spending our thoughts instead of wasting our time. Whenever we assume the feeling of being what we want to be, we are investing. We cannot abandon the moment to negative inner talking and expect to retain command of life. Exactly. Before I spill the results of all that seemingly is behind, not gone is the last moment, but oncoming. You just have to show up as that rock star version of yourself. But the problem is we also live in a world where everybody wants instant gratification. So if we don't see results now, or in a day, or in a week, we give up. Or in a week, we give up. And you don't really know how close you are. I couldn't grow my Instagram for what feels like 5 years. It has been stuck, but I kept going because it was like this force. It was just coming from inside of me. It's what I love to do. I cannot stop creating. I cannot stop creating videos and inspiring people. It's what I love to do. It's what comes naturally to me. So I can't stop. I didn't know which day was going to be the day that popped off my Instagram. I just had to practice what I preached and made sure to stay on top of my assumptions, even if my world was crumbling, even if I didn't feel like it. I was crying night. I was crashing out. I'm not proud to admit it. And if you can learn anything from me, it's to not crash out publicly. Do what you have to do in silence, feel it, but also don't let that depression or sadness or the feeling of a failure consume you. Make sure you get up and use it in a productive way, whether it's about reading the books to learn about your skills, watching the videos, investing in classes, or investing in mentors. Do the things that are going to help you with your physical and mental energy, like the working out, eating healthier, maybe getting on some sort of routine and structure if you feel like a blob stuck in a rut, okay? Because this Divalicious, rock star, icon, supermodel, celebrity, artist, whatever word you want to use, it already exists. But we have to make that switch in embodying that version of you now. So you also have to be honest with yourself. What do you need to do for yourself? What do you need to do for yourself to feel like more of this main character, superstar, pop star, diva that you are? Is it eating healthier, working out, having a more mindful morning routine where you're filling up your cup, putting your energy first, taking care of your thoughts, taking care of your aura? Is it leaving a relationship so you can grow? Is it moving out of that toxic environment? Is it moving out of the house? What are the things that you know that you should be doing? Because who you want to be already exists. You just got to change your thoughts and change how you're showing up in the world. and do your best to feel good on a day-to-day basis, beautiful. Because you are here to be a rock star, and in case no one has told you enough, in this lifetime or today, you are beautiful, you're talented, you're sexy. The world is a better place because you're here. You're beautiful, you deserve all the things, the love, the bank account, the health, the wealth. You can turn around your life. You can have it all. I love you so much, and continue to stay iconic.